So welcome to my bathroom. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Graplife stone bath mat, and we're going to see how well it works. First, start off by unboxing it. It's well packaged. So as you see, this is very fragile. It's made out of stone, so be careful so that it doesn't break. And this is what it looks like. And before you use it, you need to rinse it and then make sure it dries before you use it. After you dry it up, you place the non-slip pad onto the ground, and then you use the bath mat near the shower or any other area. This stone mat is made out of natural eco-friendly material, 100% pure diatomaceous earth, and it's super absorbent, and also it helps take moisture away very quickly. It dries really fast. It's important to note that when you use this mat, please do not use it in unventilated areas. Use it in well ventilated areas, and don't expose it to sunlight, and also don't dry it with dry heat. Don't dry it with heat, and please just be careful. It is very fragile, but as you can see, I just stepped out of the shower. You see my feet is already dry. You can see my footprint. Yeah, so this has just been less than a minute, less than 30 seconds, and it's already drying. So yeah,